Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the thrilling and twisted world of Yandere Simulator on mobile. If you're a fan of stealth and high school drama with a dark twist, this game is going to keep you on edge. In Yandere Simulator, you play as a high school student who's madly in love and willing to do whatever it takes to eliminate her rivals. The game combines stealth mechanics with sandbox-style gameplay, allowing you to explore various ways to accomplish your goals. To experience Yandere Simulator, search for Modvovo on Google. Click the first link for easy instructions on how to download the game and get ready to step into the life of a yandere. The gameplay focuses on eliminating rivals, avoiding suspicion, and maintaining your perfect reputation at school. You'll have to think strategically, blend in with other students, and find creative ways to outsmart your opponents. Every decision you make impacts how the story unfolds, giving you full control over the outcome. The dark humor, engaging storylines, and intense challenges make Yandere Simulator a unique gaming experience. From planning out schemes to navigating social dynamics, this game keeps you on your toes with endless possibilities. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching and enjoy your time in Yandere Simulator.